Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher. This video is for the operations and maintenance of the Sensor 2 12-inch and 14-inch HEPA upright vacuum. Before we start usage of the vacuum, we should check the bag to make sure a new one is not needed. Plug the unit in, depress the pedal with your foot so that the vacuum can lower. We can then use our foot to depress the on-off switch on the left side of the unit. With this unit, we'll go in a back and forth motion for complete vacuuming. If a height adjustment is needed with the brush strip, use the wand to depress the yellow daily operator touch point on the head of the vacuum. When it comes time to replace the bag or check the microfilter, open the canister by depressing the yellow operator touch point. To remove the bag, push in on the yellow clip. As the bag angles down, gently press on the green tabs on either side to remove the bag. To remove the white tower microfilter, grab it at its plastic base and pull out. To replace the microfilter, push the little metal arm up and slide the plastic base into the tracks. We can also access the exhaust filter when the canister is open. It's located below the microfilter and bag and simply pulls out. We can inspect it and replace if necessary. When replacing the yellow power cord, simply plug in the UL approved plug into the external receiver. Maneuver the cable into the track located behind where the wand sits. After the cord is in the track, feed the cord through the remaining hooks to adhere it to the machine. On occasion, we should check the brush strip. Depress the light gray service touch point on the head of the vacuum and remove the bearing cap. We can then use the bristles on the brush strip to rotate the brush roller so that the end is exposed, so we can pull it out. We can clear the brush strip of any hair or carpet fibers, reinsert it with the thin end. We can then take a credit card or a plastic key card, slide it across the bottom of the unit. If the card contacts the bristles, it's in good shape. If not, we may need a replacement. If we need to check with a clog, we can start by removing the wand and pinching the light gray service point near the hose and removing it from the vacuum. We can then depress the small black button on the wand to separate it from the hose. We can then look through the wand to see if there's any obstructions, and we can run the hose over a small mop or broom handle to clear any obstructions. Well, thank you for watching our video on the operations and maintenance of the Sensor 2 upright vacuums, and until next time, keep it clean.